Welcome back, guys. So today I've partnered once again with FabFitFun, this time to talk about their add-ons flash sale, which is a really awesome flash sale that's available for members only. And during the sale, you can shop some amazing products at amazing discounted prices, and they will ship out with your box. Let's say you tried something in a previous box that you absolutely fell in love with and you want to repurchase it. This is the time to do it. Or let's say you have like a friend's birthday coming up and you don't have a gift yet. This is the time to shop on there. So I'm sure you guys know by now, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription service that delivers 4 times a year, every single season. It has lifestyle, beauty, fashion, fitness. The box does cost $49.99 a month. But if you are a new member and you want to sign up, you can use my discount code. I'll have it right here on the screen for you guys. It gets you $10 off. Personally, I think it's an amazing value. I don't think I have ever unboxed a box that had a value of under $200. Like, it's always been over $200. I'm gonna give you just like a sneak preview. Like, this is by no means everything that they carry, but I want to give you guys like an idea. Maybe you see something I talk about you really like. I wouldn't wait because a lot of the items tend to sell out quickly. I'm just gonna start randomly grabbing stuff in no particular order. This is one of the items that's gonna be available in the flash sale. This is the Luxie Professional Brush Collection. It looks like it's their rose gold edition, so this is really nice. I think I've received a couple of these Luxie brushes in the past, but this is really nice. It's like a leather kind of like carrier, and it's in a blush pink color, which is totally up my alley. And let's see. And it comes with all of these brushes. So you get 4 face brushes and then a bunch of like small eye brushes. Then we have this cute little portable power bank. This is actually super cute and super perfect to throw in my diaper bag because it's like nice and compact. It's so cute. It's like itty bitty. So you can plug the bigger one and then also the phone USB. So this is really cool. This is actually something that I have been in need of. I have a bigger portable power bank, but I keep that one in my travel bag. So yeah, super, super cute. Definitely gonna be super convenient. So then we have the iconic Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Like, I cannot stress to you guys enough how amazing this exfoliator is. And I have a feeling that this is going to be one of those products that's going to sell out really, really fast. It has 2 different types of exfoliators. Like, it has those tiny little beads, and then it also has enzyme exfoliators. So in the places that I know I have like dry, flaky skin and my skin is like not sensitive, I'll go ahead and like exfoliate it with the beads. And then the other places, I just let the enzymes do it, so it's not so abrasive. So I really, really love this. And it leaves my skin so baby soft. Honestly, I feel like FabFitFun has the best value when it comes to skincare. Here's another one. This is the Alchemist brand. I've actually tried their exfoliator as well, and I really like the brand. This one though is the Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. I've never used it, but I've used the brand before and I'm very excited to try this out. I like that it comes in this like super cool looking bottle. I feel like that's gonna look so nice on my sink. I told you guys they have other items, not just beauty. So here are some like, I guess these are like thank you cards, but they're super cute. They say, OMG, I love it. And I love sending out thank you cards, especially with like my giveaways. If you guys ever win any of them, I usually send out a thank you card. So you might be getting one of these if you do enter my giveaways in the future. Next, we have this beautiful tumbler. I love the color, you guys. It's so pretty. It's rose gold. It has all of these beautiful bright florals on it. It's so funny because if you guys watch my most recent declutter, I got rid of so many tumblers that I just don't use. And most of them were metal because I've hit my gums and my teeth on the metal straw way too many times. And I told myself never again. So this is perfect because it's plastic. I don't know what I did. I opened it funny, but this looks right up my alley. This is Dissolve It Makeup Cleansing Balm by the brand Caitlin. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but I'm a huge fan of makeup of cleansing balms. You just take a little bit, rub it in between your palms, and then rub it on your dry skin. And this is gonna just help kind of like soften up all that makeup. And then you can either tissue it off or wash it off or use like a washcloth, and all of your makeup just comes off like beautifully. It smells very fresh and clean. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's kind of like pink. There's a little like applicator scoop at the top of it. Ooh, this looks interesting. This is also a cleansing balm, and it also has a little scoop. So I imagine it's also a pretty fancy brand. But yeah, you guys can see how it is like a solid type of texture, and once you put it in your hands, it almost reminds me of like coconut oil, like how it's solid and then it just kind of like melts with your body heat. Same thing with these. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to try both of them. Although I should share, you know, my sisters could use one of these, so I don't know which one I'll keep and which one I'll pass on. Here we have some nail polish, and this is so pretty. This is a glitter one and it sparkles. I'm definitely gonna give this to my sister. I get dip powder down at the salon. I can't remember the last time I used nail polish on my fingers, but I love the glitter. It's so pretty. I know she would love something like this. And it's from Butter London, which is a really good nail polish brand. Next, we have a curling wand from Numi. I love Numi products. I use their hair straightener right now. It's the one that I use to straighten my hair. I did a little tutorial on Instagram, by the way. So yeah, they have really good hot tools. And this one in particular is one of those like wands that don't have the clip, which I haven't used in so long. I used to have a set that I used to use all the time. And I'm gonna try it again because I saw this hairstyle on Instagram where the girl had like, I think she wrapped it like one in and then one out, and it just looks so voluminous, and then she like left the ends like straight and it looks so good. So I kind of want to try a hairstyle like that. My hair is like super long right now and I feel like it's like the perfect time to experiment with it. But yeah, here's the wand. So this is actually really cool for somebody that likes to entertain and host. This is an Easter treat maker, and you can make little like Easter bunnies and little eggs. It's so cute. And these are like those griddles, you know, like the kind of like the waffle griddles. I use these for everything, like for egg sandwiches, for grilled cheese. So you don't have to use it just for like stuff like this, for like cookies. You can literally cook whatever you want in there. So you guys are getting the idea of the flash sale. Like they are literally going to have a little bit of every category, so it's definitely worth a look. So like I said, they do have a health and wellness category. So this is their bee powder superfood honey with royal jelly bee pollen. You know what? My husband actually eats a spoonful of honey every single day, so he'll probably be interested in this. I'm so weird. Like, I like using honey in my recipes. Like, I like making dressings using honey, but I don't like it in my tea. I don't like it like by itself. I'm just a weird person. And this is the last thing right here, you guys. This is one of those insulated cups, like tumblers, that'll keep your drinks like really cold or really hot for a long time. Okay, here it is. It'll keep your drinks cold for 9 hours and hot for 3 hours. Anybody that either commutes, you know, they're in the car for like 1 to 3 hours every single day, or if they work a desk job, so it's gonna keep your coffee hot for a really long time, or your beverages cold for a really long time. So yeah, this is really cool. I actually gave my mother-in-law one a few months ago, and she's so cute. She carries that cup with her everywhere, and she's like, I can't believe that I went this long without using a cup like this. She likes to keep her cold beverages in her. So yeah, these make a really good gift too. Those are all the products that I have to share with you guys for this preview. Again, this is not everything. This is probably like a little tiny glimpse of the entire sale. And if you're not a member, then definitely use my $10 off discount. With all of that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. The links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.